All right, future doctors, let's break down the muscles of the upper limb clear, quick, and all about what you'll actually need to know. First up, let's get our bearings. The upper limb is divided into four main regions: the shoulder, the arm, that's the upper arm, the forearm, and the hand. Each region has its own set of muscles, and knowing where one stops and the next starts is half the battle. Let's start with classification. I like to think of muscles by both region and function. In the shoulder, you'll find muscles that move the arm at the shoulder joint. Think abductors like the deltoid. The arm mainly hosts flexors and extensors of the elbow like the biceps and triceps. The forearm's packed with muscles that flex and extend the wrist and fingers, while the tiny, intricate muscles of the hand control fine movements. Now let's zoom in on the key players. The deltoid sits like a cap over your shoulder. Its origin? The clavicle and scapula. It inserts onto the deltoid tuberosity of the humerus. Nerve supply? Axillary nerve. Its main action, abduction of the arm at the shoulder. Next, the biceps brachii. Classic flexor. It's got two heads, long head from the supraglenoid tubercle, short head from the coracoid process. Inserts at the radial tuberosity. Nerve? Musculocutaneous. It flexes the elbow and supinates the forearm. Opposing it is the triceps brachii, the big extensor. Three heads, all inserting at the olecranon of the ulna and innervated by the radial nerve. It extends the elbow. Don't forget brachialis. It lies beneath biceps, origin at the humerus, inserts at the ulnar tuberosity, and is also supplied by the musculocutaneous nerve. It's the real powerhouse flexor of the elbow. Brachioradialis is a forearm flexor, but a little different. It flexes best when the forearm is mid-pronated. Origin lateral supracondylar ridge of the humerus, insertion styloid process of the radius, nerve radial. Now for the forearm. Flexor carpi radialis flexes and abducts the wrist. Flexor carpi ulnaris flexes and adducts it. Both originate at the medial epicondyle, but have different insertions and nerve supplies. Median for radialis, ulnar for ulnaris. Extensor digitorum extends the fingers, originates at lateral epicondyle, inserts on phalanges, innervated by the posterior interosseous nerve. In the hand, the thenar muscles move the thumb, while the hypothenar group controls the little finger. Median and ulnar nerves take charge here. Clinical relevance? Lesion of the radial nerve, think wrist drop, median nerve injury, difficulty with thumb opposition, ulnar nerve, claw hand. Muscle testing helps you pinpoint the problem. For easy recall, remember deltoid does abduction, biceps brings flexion, triceps throws extension, carpi controls, wrist digitorum does digits, thenar thumbs, hypothenar handles pinky. That's upper limb muscles in a nutshell. Keep reviewing, keep